Now let's take a look at examples of prestige decorations obtained by combining Grassello Di Calce with CADORO using special application techniques. Grassello Di Calce must be applied on the suitably diluted specific Marco Term primer. We recommend using a wool roller. After the primer coat, apply 3 coats of Grassello Di Calce with a stainless steel trowel. The product is ready to use. First, spread a layer to get an even background. After at least 12 hours, spread another layer of Grassello Di Calce to create the right thickness. After another 12 hours, sand down the background to eliminate any imperfections with 220 paper. Then, remove the dust. Before spreading the top coat, check the condition of the tool and, if necessary, smooth off the blade with 1500 sandpaper in order to remove the surface scratches that can affect the final gloss appearance of the Grassello Di Calce. The product should be applied depositing small amounts on the surface, patting to make compact. Then add a gloss finish with stainless steel trowel, using the tool diagonally and pressing it onto the surface firmly before it dries completely. The iridescent effect is created when the Grassello Di Calce is fully dry and polished by using the steel trowel to lay one very thin layer of CADORO gold base. The excess product material on the surface must be eliminated by exerting a firm pressure on the background with the trowel.